Hello and welcome to this video series on using ASIO Explore. After a successful flight and collecting your data, you can view your recording in ASIO Explore. The ASIO Explorer is a desktop solution for importing, managing, and exporting flight data. In ASIO Explorer, user can view recorded video, acquire point cloud, and infrared videos. There are many functionalities included in ASIO Explore for creating reports, exporting sensory data, maps, and flight trajectory. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Once you run the application, this is the first window you will see. This is the login window. Here you can see the version of the ASIO Explorer 2.5.2, and this is a login window. Here, if you click on the hardware ID, your machine signature will be copied to the memory, so you can use it for tech support. In order to use ASIO Explore, you need a username and password. To get your own username and password, please follow the instruction described in the user manual, which is basically scanning the QR code, which is in the case of the drone. Okay, after a successful login, you will see this window. As you can see, here are my recent project, which is completely empty. Here's a menu bar, and here's another menu bar. Here you can go to About and check your version. Again, you might need it for support. When you're reaching our tech support, it's better to share this information with us so we know exactly which version you are experiencing. Also, you can see your machine signature here. Here also you can check for update if there's a recent version, so we can automatically upgrade. Of course, it will automatically check for upgrade during the login, but here you can do it manually. Okay, now let's see, where does Explore store the data? So on your local machine, if you go to users, your username, app data, roaming, Flybotix, ASIO Explore, this is a place that it stored your license key and some of your configuration for generating subtitles and log files and templates for your PDF report. So this is a place that ASIO Explore uses for saving its configuration. Your flight data that you're importing will be stored in your document actually. So in my case, it is in users, my username, documents, and Flybotix project. So if you go to your My Documents and then Flybotix project, you will find all of your flights, which at the moment is empty. Okay, so in the next video, we will actually create a new project and we will add some flight to it.